Number of deaths overall here shot up 33% this June compared to last June. Morgues are now struggling to find space for bodies. Our political editor Dennis Welch has more perspective on this problem.
And in June of last year, the state reported about 4,700 deaths. But this year, amid this pandemic, that number had skyrocketed to nearly 6,300. In fact, the death toll is rising so fast in Arizona that Maricopa County had to order 14 more cooling trailers to handle the dead bodies. And Governor Doug Ducey and his top health advisor, Dr. Kara Christ, they tried to downplay the role of COVID-19 in the fact that the morgues are running out of room.
When we look at fatalities management, there is a statewide plan. Every summer, we do see an increase in the number of deaths.
During yesterday's press conference, Dr. Kara Christ made it sound like it's normal to see deaths spike during the summer. While heat-related deaths may increase, a review of state records shows deaths actually drop in June. And over the past 5 years, those same records also show that more people die during the winter months of January and December.
We are also seeing increased deaths, unfortunately, due to suicide and drug overdoses.
The state health department did not return our request for comment, but the county did provide us with charts that appear to back one of Christ's claims while refuting another. This chart shows that the number of overdoses looked at by the medical examiner is up. And this graph reveals that suicides are actually down.
We are working with our hospitals to ensure that they have adequate morgue capacity, but one of the normal elements of the plan is to bring in refrigerated trucks.
But according to county officials, using cooling trailers is highly unusual. In fact, they say that hasn't been done for at least the past 10 years.
And one last note on that high number of deaths from last month. In fact, more Arizonans died last month than were actually born here. In Phoenix, Dennis Welch, Arizona's Family.